Hey guys, this is Skip for ex-staff of Nameless. Basically, I'm just showing a video on how to do it. Installation on cPanel for NamelessMC, which is a forums website. So it's like NamelessMC. Basically, as it is, you can just see it on the website itself, what it is, what it does, and stuff like that. So basically we are going to, I'm going to be using the website, my Roleplay Tyrants website, because it's a work in progress. I can do whatever I want with it. So let's just get started. You're going to scroll down, find domains, subdomains, or if you're blind, you can't see it, just type in subdomains. We're going to create one that's called forums. You can name it whatever you want, but it's going to be forums dot whatever website you are, and then, or you can also do whatever website you are slash forums, because it's in public HTML slash forums. So we're going to create it. So we're going to go here, go there. We're going to go to dnschecker.org. So that way you can actually check if it's being propagated, and which it is, thanks to Namecheap's premium service, which everybody on my website hosting has for free. Yay, self-advertising. So if we were to go to the actual website, it will say, there goes that. So that's done. It's already propagated thanks to the DNS settings and whatnot. So let's go to Nameless. We're going to download. We're going to download the pre-release of this video. It's going to be version 2.0.0-pre9. Basically means that it is a version 2 of the NamelessMC, and it's a pre-release of 9. So we're just going to grab that. As you can see, it is a pre-release. So this is going to be changed probably multiple times after you see this. So let's grab the source code, save the file. As you can see, it's done. I already had it downloaded before. We are going to go back home. We are going to find your shared IP address. So it is that, and we're going to open up FileZilla. Okay, we're going to be using FileZilla in this. So we're going to grab the shared IP address. It's going to be in the hosting. You're going to grab your current user, which is username. I just need to grab the IP address because, sorry, the password, because I have it scrambled. That one, this one, that. So here you'll see the shared IP address is right here. Your current user is right here, and the password is whatever the hell it is, and port is going to be 21. Quick connect. Boom. You if you get a little pop-up that says, "Hey, do you want to trust this? Do you want to trust this and whatnot?" Yes. You want to click the little checkbox and then hit OK, so that way you don't get it anymore. So if we go to the public HTML file, and you can see that it has all this, and because of forms, right? Here's all the files of what the website was, right? There it is. So what we're going to do is that because we have FileZilla loaded, we're going to go to main. I just need to reorganize files because that's not supposed to be where it is. File manager, public HTML, forms, and we're going to select all, and we are going to delete it all because we don't need any of those. Okay? Because a few things will happen. We are going to upload the file that we have, which is document, nope, downloads, Nameless. open. It's a small file, which is like 15.8 megabytes. I have a fast upload, so it's going to be nice and quick for me. And once that's green, we can actually go back. There it is. You want to highlight it, right click it, extract files, close, and then reload, which is right here. You don't have to reload the entire page because it's not needed. You're going to double click it. You're going to select all. You want to move the file and remove the very last where it says nameless-2.0.0-pre9 and move files. Then you're going to go up one level, highlight this one, hold down Control, highlight this guy. So you want them both highlighted. You can tell it because it is blue over here and blue over here. You're going to delete, and there's both of those. You don't need them anymore because you have it up there. But here's the catch, right? If we are going to go into that folder, you will see .ignore, htaccess, contributors.md, changelog.txt is not all in there, right? Because cPanel, for some stupid reason, does not unzip every single file. So what you got to do is grab the folder. You want to minimize everything, drag and drop it onto your desktop. Because I'm on Linux, it goes somewhere else. Here's the file. Here's all the files that you need. Okay? You're going to grab it, refresh this spot right here. You'll see all the files. Oh shit, it is there. But oh well. But this is just a precaution because sometimes it doesn't do it. So just grab all that, drag it in there, skip, always, and apply to current queue only. Hit OK. Now it's going to check every single file and transfer whatever file was missing. And because you'll see a bunch of them, not just two, if you see only two things going at once and not spazzing out like all these, because you'll see transferring, right? You're going to go to Edit, Settings, and Transfers. You want this to be 10, okay? Not because default is 2. You want 10. And then you're going to hit OK, not cancel, because I already have mine set to 10. As you can see, there's a .ignore. That thing is already there. Was not there before. Directory of GitHub was not there before. So it is just about done. Boop. There it is. Done. Okay. We don't need FileZilla anymore. You can just close that, close this. We can go here, hit reload. You'll see that. And settings, show hidden files. I should have shown that in the first place. But yeah, here's all the files. If you can't see them, or if you want to check on it, do what I just did. Go to settings, show hidden files, hit yes, and there you go. So now, if we go to our website, which is forums. Whatever this is, you'll see this. Refresh it. Boom. Here's the install page. Please note that this is pre-release and is not intended for use on a public site, but it's still recommended because that's the only one you can really download. New installation, because this is a complete fresh install. So because of all this, it does a check of what all we need. My hosting already provides everything that's needed for it. Host name is just leave that what it is. Install path, you can leave it empty because it's going to be in there. Friendly URLs, we can have it enabled or disabled. If you want it like fancy URL, it's going to be example.com/forum. If you don't want it to be a fancy URL, like a really long URL, it's going to have the index.php slash, question mark root equals slash form. That is the long one. Okay? Let's see if we have this actually. 404 not found. Okay, interesting. Oh well, let's just have it disabled for right now. I'm gonna figure that out later on. So here's a database configuration. We're going to go into cPanel, back into cPanel. We are going to go to MySQL databases, and we are going to call this form because we need a new database. So it's going to be called roleplay underscore or whatever your domain name is. Sorry, your account name of cPanel to log in underscore whatever this is. So create database. So it's created, as I just said, the account name underscore form. Hit back. So now we are going to need to scroll down, find MySQL users, and we are going to put just use forms. Generate new password. We can just grab that. Let's grab a note thing, which is that. So that's our password. And username is roleplay underscore forms. Database is roleplay underscore form. Right? So this information you have to keep. You gotta just keep it stored somewhere, because you need to click on this box, hit use password, boom, generate. So successfully created MySQL user named roleplay forms. Remember, form is the database, forums is the user. So now we're going to go scroll past MySQL users, add user to database, and because it's the only things I have here right now, you're going to hit add. You're going to need all the privileges, so make changes. My notes is gone. Oh well. Whatever. So make the changes. It's going to load. It's going to say all that. Now we're going to go and go back. So now we have all that information, all that done. Now we're going to go to the install. The database address for cPanel is going to be 127.0.1 because that's localhost. Port is 3306. Database username is roleplay underscore forms. Database password is whatever it was. Database name roleplay underscore forum, which is the database name. Hit proceed. And boom. If it didn't work, it will just freak out and keep you at the database configuration. Site name is going to be like this is just a testing site, so testing site for the forums, contact email, it could be whatever you want it to be. With cPanel, you can actually create your own email. So you will go back to your cPanel email accounts. I already have a couple, but just for me and my roommate. So we are going to go no reply or forums at roleplay. Hit generate. You want to grab this information. You want to put that into your notepad. Actually, no. You don't really need it, but you do need it if you want to connect to it externally. Hit create. There it is. So contact email is forums at wow, I can't even type right now. roleplayerstavern.com. Outgoing email is the same thing. Or you can actually change it to whatever you want. I would recommend creating another email for no reply at, right? At whatever website you have. Hit proceed. Username let's just do my usual, and then this is just going to be password 101, password, oh no, that's the email address, but anyway, yeah, password 101, there we go, email address, skippy@roleplayerstavern.com, because that is actually one of my emails. I don't check it that much because it's not publicized except for this video. There we go. Proceed. Don't save. Finally, do you want to convert from a different software? No, because this is a fresh install. You can have it from other ones, but I would highly recommend having a fresh install. Thanks for installing NamelessMC. Now you can go to the staff. Hit finish. Email was skippy@roleplayerstavern.com, and password was that. So this is whatever email you just put in for a account to be added in, and voila, you now have it. You now have installed the forms. So let's go to forms. Forms.roleplayerstavern. There you go. It's all in there, right? It's all installed and whatnot. But you see here where it has the connection not secured. You can actually do that by going into your cPanel again. Type in SSL, and you want to go to SSL/TLS status, and click on Run SSL, and it will run it all. Even though it says domain validated, whatever, you can just renew it, and it will renew it if it's needed. We use Let's Encrypt, which is completely free. It's provided to all my clients. So that could just run in the background. And if we go here, I like dark mode because it's easier on the eyes. Let's see, is it almost done? Should be almost done. So we just go to configuration, general settings, and force HTTPS, enable it. Let's see, whatever, let's just test it. Click. Boom. Connection secured. It is now secured. For some reason, doesn't want to keep that. Whatever. You can force www, but you'll have to create a www.forms.whatever. I don't generally use it, so I don't really configure on how it exactly works. You can ask anybody in the Nameless forums and whatnot. So there goes that. Homepage type, you can have it as default or portal. I don't know what the portal looks like. I'm not going to bother because this is just a installation. So there it goes. Friendly URLs. Let's just see if it actually works. Go here. Aha. So it countered. 404 does not want to work. So because we have that, to disable that page, and look, this is done. You go here, File Manager, Public HTML, Forms, so wherever it is, you want to go to Core, Configuration, Edit, and you want to find Friendly to be false. Hit OK. And if we go out of here, back to the main website, click on the box, boom, you're able to get back in. If you need help to get that friendly URL working, you just go to the Discord, and it will allow you, it will help you. Somebody on there will actually help you. You don't need to ping the staff, you don't need to ping the support role at all. It's not that important, but if you want to bum rush the staff, I would highly recommend you not to ping support channel. Just paste it in there. Somebody will help. Okay? Just please do have patience. And this is the end of the video. So of the installation of forms. I'm going to be deleting this as I don't need it at all, because it's just a installation video. So I'm just going to go and find the subdomains, nuke. Now if you actually look, for service unavailable because it's not there anymore. And if you go here, not there. If you go here, work in progress. So there you go. And thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.